asset ko ni, no, we really have to talk with Neymar because kung merong makakatulong sa atin na, sino yung makakatulong? Because, una-una, ang nakita namin dito ngayon, they will never see you as pro Congressman Joe Boy. Oh. So, ikaw yung inaasahan namin, yung papaliwanag sa kanila na it is true that Congressman Joe Boy wrote that much smaller. Yes. I will not deny that. Okay. But in all of our movements, lahat naman sila nagbibigay ng kanilang diba? Kung hindi, tanongin mo kay Tony, kung ilang sigaw ang
Secretary,
di ba?
Ginawa earlier para
Okay.
yung circumstance ba?
Hindi, totoo. Okay, hindi, pero just to reassure you, while Congressman Chobo, sino mga maliit sa party ito? Mga tao ito.
Bakit din baka brother?
May nature pa rin.
No.
Hindi,
Kasi the record brother, pero tayo lang yung creative part.
I'll tell you the truth.